Yo, how's it going, guys? Attack on Titan again. Yeah, we're in. Yeah. So, I'm recording rather late at night. It is 12:07. Wow. I'm going into single player. City. Levi. Dawn. TPS. So we're going to start up. I'm going to fly up here. Hold on a minute. I gotta get the picture. So that way I don't die immediately. Hey Eli.
Yeah?
What you doing up there, buddy? What?
Huh?
What did you say?
He's walking to Adrian.
Is he funny?
Yeah.
What is that noise?
What do you mean?
I don't like it.
What do you mean?
Oh, it's Vegeta's mom! It's Vegeta's mom! That was funny. You think that was funny? Eli,
Huh?
do you think that was funny?
No.
What do you mean?
I mean, you kind of didn't do like what they want.
I know, but it's funny. Oh god. It's a Titan. It's a Titan. Houston, we have a Titan. Oh no. Why? Why are you gonna eat me? Please don't eat me. Ow. 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 Thank goodness respawning exists in video games, or else I'd be dead. Did that just work? Eli,
Yeah?
what do you want to do in the morning? Want to fight more?
Yeah.
Defeating a sandwich only makes it tastier. Finally, I killed that thing. Oh my gosh. That took forever. You guys agree, right? Yeah, you agree. You know you agree. Anchor. Let's fly. Right now we're gonna Now, you might want to check out my other channel. I'll post a link in the description. I do Nerf videos and whatnot. Whee! This is just my gaming channel. Hello, friend. Yeah, I didn't fail. Alright, let's just make her up. Hey, Eli.
Yeah?
What you doing up there?
I'm watching Daddy.
Same thing?
Yeah.
Yeah. You wanna go ask if we can play some more Battle of Z?
Huh?
I'm really bored. I wanna play Battle of Z.
Can do it.
Alright. Okay. Hey, what's up, fool? Is it cool if Eli and I play Battle of Z later? Never mind. Hold on. Alright. If I die one more time, then I'll stop recording. So I'm not gonna die. Titan! Titan. Alright. Jump. Wee! Joking! Alright, I'm gonna kill that Titan over there. Okay. I'm gonna keep my promise and stop recording now. I will see you guys in another video. Bye-bye!